In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or unpublish your Typeform. This is a simple process that will allow you to stop collecting new responses while keeping all your current data intact. Perhaps you've reached your response limit, or maybe you've gathered the information you need and want to ensure no more entries come through. Whatever the reason may be, knowing how to effectively close your form without affecting the existing data is essential. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to access your Typeform editor. This is where all the magic happens. Open your specific form that you wish to close. Once you've selected it, you'll find yourself in the familiar editing screen. Look to the top right corner of the page, and there you'll notice a small gear icon. This represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you into a new area filled with different options that allow you to adjust various aspects of your form. Now focus your attention on the menu that displays on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Access and Scheduling. This is your next destination. Click on it to reveal the settings specific to keeping your form open or closed. Once you're here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Close Form. You'll want to toggle this on. By doing so, you're essentially flipping the sign on your digital door from open to closed. It's as simple as that. Once toggled on, you are essentially turning off the ability for future respondents to submit additional entries. When this is set, make sure to click Save. This step is crucial. Without saving, your changes won't be applied, and your form will remain open, continuing to collect responses. Once you've successfully closed your form, any future respondents will encounter a default message that says, "This form is closed." It's a straightforward notification that handles communications for you. If you happen to be on a business plan, there's an additional perk. You can customize this message to better fit your needs or brand voice. You also have the ability to set conditions for when the form should automatically close, such as reaching a specific submission limit or a desired closing date. And there you have it. Your Typeform is now closed to new responses, effectively freezing the gathering process while securely retaining all data received so far for your review. It's important to remember that closing your form is temporary and reversible. So rest assured knowing your data is safe and intact. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you.